Hi you guys, welcome to my channel today. I'm going to be doing an apple cider vinegar detox drink. I love apple cider vinegar. It is so good for you, really great for detoxing. It can help aid in weight loss. So it is really wonderful. This I use is organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. So this brand, Bragg, it's really good. But apple cider vinegar, it's so good for you, but I do not think it tastes good. And if you take just a shot of it, it kind of burns going down, is not good for your tooth enamel and your esophagus. So in order to help save that, love diluting it, which makes it totally okay to drink, no harm to anything of your teeth or your esophagus. So I love to mix my apple cider vinegar with tons of different things that taste really good so that it makes these detox drinks taste good. I have a whole playlist on detox drinks, so I will link that in the description box. If you want to find some new yummy detox drinks, I got tons on there for you. And also every detox drink recipe video I have, I get a lot of comments on these juice containers. I got these on Amazon. I will link them in the description box, but they are really, really good quality. They're plastic, but a really good thick plastic, really good quality cap. And I just make ahead all of my detox drinks for the week or for a few days, depending. But these containers are really awesome. So I am going to do grapefruit this week. Grapefruit is so good for you, and it has tons of flavor to help counteract the apple cider vinegar flavor. And then as a sweetener, I'm going to use, I have this organic raw honey to add to it as well to make it delicious. So I'm going to juice these grapefruits. I'm going to get them portioned out into my containers, and then the drinks will be ready to go for the week. So I have like my orange juicer here, but these grapefruits are really juicy, so I hope I get a lot of juice out of these. And it is definitely starting to become grapefruit time of year, which is awesome. So lots of awesome grapefruit juice. I love grapefruit. It is super high in vitamin C. And another thing with apple cider vinegar is I believe, because I've been drinking it for quite a while, it helps increase your immune system, which I love. And now that we are in the middle of fall and the weather is changing, it is getting cooler, thank goodness, definitely can start getting sick this time of year. So anything to help boost immunity, I love, and apple cider vinegar is really awesome at that. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of grapefruit juice, about a teaspoon of honey, and then these will be ready to go. And I'm gonna fill them up with water. So this apple cider vinegar, you give it a little mixing because it can separate with the mother. So definitely want to give it just a little gentle shake before you use it. right, so these juices are all ready to go in my favorite juice containers. And I like to have 2 of these a day. I like to have them one before breakfast and one before lunch. And so this will last me 3 days, this little batch of juice, but super delicious and so healthy for you. Like I said, apple cider vinegar is so good. It can help in weight loss if you add it to a healthy diet and an active lifestyle. So love it. It is so, so good. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I have a whole playlist of apple cider vinegar detox drinks because I love them. So check out the playlist. I'll put it in the description box. And if you're new to my channel and you love healthy recipes, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of healthy meal prepping on my channel. So make sure you check out my other videos. I hope that you have a really wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.